2, sign out, clear. One MCO mobile, good morning. That was entertaining for the last few. One good reason not to enable Vox. An amazing sleep. I wish I have a sleep like that. Good morning to you, sir. K1MCO. I was like, wait a minute. Disturbed two of my cats, too. They're looking at the radio like, what in the heck is going on? Crazy right there, but good morning. This is K1MCO in Orlando. Heading to work this morning, finally able to communicate here on the ECR, usually do in the morning, but people got other plans this morning in the ECR. Back to you. Yeah, I'm retired, so don't have to head to work anymore. I'm up here in New York, so yeah, I usually have the radio on, all the time, and I heard that, and it was like, what? You said that your cats wake up? I don't blame them. But anyway, yeah, I'm just working towards my retirement. I'm here at the airport right now. Today is my Monday, actually, unfortunately, but it is what it is, I got all the way down until Friday. 10, 11-hour shift. So we'll see how it goes today. We'll see how crazy the hangar is today with mechanics and asking for stuff. But anyway, I'm here at the parking lot. Nice talking to you. I believe you're BYU. So is that you? 731J in Orlando. K1MCO. Easy. Don't work too hard. K88 BYU.
Kilo Jupiter 4, Zulu Foxtrot Michael. Kilo Jupiter 4, Zulu Foxtrot Michael. Good morning, gentlemen. I was kind of wondering who was keyed up in there. Somebody was keyed up in there for a long time. They forgot left the microphone plugged in or no. Anyway, good morning, gentlemen.
I think somebody had their Vox enabled and fell asleep. Yeah, it's a good reason to turn it off. Oh, that was entertaining. That was a good one for the start of the morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep, yes, sir. I was actually saying my good mornings to my other pals on the 11 meters. I still got to go into 10 meters and say good morning to my other buddies over there this morning. But just was over here monitoring East Coast Reflector, and they were keyed up for a long time. Like you said, with that Vox, had it been that Vox keyed up, and it was driving me a little crazy. I was wondering, I was trying to get in touch with my friend Ian over in the UK, but I haven't heard him in a good minute. Anyway, you have yourself a blessed morning over there. Kilo Jupiter 4 Zulu Foxtrot Michael over in Deltona, Florida. My first name is Robert, and pleasure to hear you in there this morning.
Take care. We'll catch you later. Yeah, my name is Roy, and yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get my two of the three kids settle back down here and get them taken care of. The other one is sleeping, so he didn't get disturbed by the snoring. Catch you later. KA8BYU.